They want something they can feel. Swear to God, yeah. When I had trouble in the field, I was running with the steel. On God, yeah. Ain't nothing changed. You know I'm repping the gang. I'm the guy, yeah. When I was slinging that cane.
Toledo versus Bowling Green in this matchup. They got Toledo at home, favored it, minus 16.5, which is a lot of points. So it's gonna be hard to lean on the side in this one. I'll probably take Toledo because Toledo won 15 in the last 17 games. They won the last 4 straight. Both of these teams are averaging 81 points. It's just Bowling Green allowing a lot more points. Toledo shoots 48% from field goal range. That's almost 50%. That's crazy. Bowling Green 43%. They also shooting 36% from three-point range. Toledo shooting like 32%. Toledo out rebounds Bowling Green, and they out assist them by like 3 or 4 assists on average. I like Toledo minus 16.5. They should blow Bowling Green out. Bowling Green lost 4 of the last 5 games. And they began blowing out. They allowed 116 points when they played Buffalo. That's crazy. Toledo just held Buffalo to 76 points. So you tell me there's difference in that spread right there. Take the 16.5.